We had a really great question on last night's chat in Asia, and I want to throw it out to the chat. If you were in the chat yesterday, if you were in the Asia live stream yesterday, please don't give the answer because I want to see people's answers before I give mine. If you know the answer already, please don't put it in the chat. I want you to tell me what your favorite machine learning algorithm is. Okay? So in the chat, just go ahead and type in what your favorite machine learning algorithm is. So yesterday we had random forest, we had rotation forest, we had rule-based algorithms, and somebody else also posted CNN neural networks, right? So go ahead and please, in the chat, really quickly, you don't have to give an explanation or nobody's going to call on you, but just let me know what your favorite machine learning algorithm is, okay? We're going to put that in the chat, and then I don't want to bias the chat. I don't want to give my answer, so I'll wait to the end. But start putting it in the chat. Let me know what your favorite machine learning algorithm is, all right? Joseph, good to see you, my friend. I know you're a great supporter, so thank you so much for coming back. I hope you're well. I believe you're in Tennessee, so I hope you're well in Tennessee. Thanks so much for coming back. Milicha, good to see you too. I think Milicha, you were in our Sunday class last week, so looking forward to seeing you again this Sunday. I hope that was beneficial for you, and keep on coming back. We're going to be doing some good stuff. And as a matter of fact, let me bring that up on my screen. Give me just a second, guys, and I'm going to share it out because I was actually working on the materials for the class this week. I'm not going to show the materials because I kind of want them to be a surprise, but you can see here that we're going to be going through chapter 4. We're going to be going through categorization algorithms.